Splash Harbor 2026, Memorial Day weekend.
What you think? Did you have fun at the water park?
Yes.
Okay, we're at Splash Harbor, Indian Rocks Beach for Memorial Day 2026.
Picture.
Okay, I love this water park because it's small and everything is right here. Like, you don't really need to do anything else down there. Emerald or green quartz.
Shake it, do you want a muscle?
Mama, I love you.
Grandma! He's good at holding his breath. That's what Aubrey holds her breath here too. We're here. And the other hidden room. This is where I'm gonna put somebody's air mattress.
That's my second hidden room that I found first.
Fun to drink. I got your beer. Jess, what's up? Hey, I switched places with Ramon. He's underneath the thing with Caroline. I gotta go pee. Hey, did you guys do the slide? Was it good?
Oh my god, so fun. I've been around 3 times before I realized the whole one.
Quartz or adventuring?
Wait,
Appetite?
it's emerald.
Is it an emerald?
Yeah, it is emerald.
It looks close to an emerald.
So it's an emerald.
All right, to video. What'd you get there?
Rum runner. Bucket. It's a bucket. It's
Yours is from.
Cruise crab was where it was at.
Maybe he just doesn't use them. What if he just doesn't use them?
Like right there. Missy, let's dance. Oh, you touched him. I see him.
Oh, he's scratched.
Now there's Benji.
He's my first baby. He's my first baby. Say,
So how did you like the water park? What was your favorite slide?
The blue and white one.
Going out on the boat? Awesome.
I want to go for a boat ride.
That's one of those like the rock Chevys.
Wait until they're out of the way.
Are you ready to swim without the water wings? No, you want the water wings?
Don't remember what you got till this goes.
You ready for light chop on the little boat?
Yeah. Is this your hidden room?
Yeah, this is the boys' room.
Oh boy.
Memorial Day. Memorial Day.
Gift that keeps on giving.
Moonstone? What do you guys think up there? Is that Moonstone?
No.
It looks pretty close.
She hates my Snapchat.
Hustler fishing charters. Full day, half day, offshore, inshore, dolphin watch.
Benjamin, where did you leave Brady and Carolyn?
Oh, look at this little.
Ooh, that's my favorite.
Oh, my leg is stuck.
me.
Here we go. Hey, baby. Let's go check out the upstairs, because there's an upstairs in this hotel room. That is crazy. Just stay out of there.
Water.
Of course. This is what we want right here to tow the other boat behind it.
Look at that.
This one's better. This ain't hot.
Where's Mama at?
Logan somewhere. The Queen's Revenge. Stacy.
In that big
No
boat
shoe
right
station.
beside us right now.
Yeah, see, look, I told you to tow a boat behind their boat. It's right here on the other side of this wall.
Because I put the ones that we brought on him, and they said that we couldn't use those.
So what, is there like specific water wings that you see?
Yeah, let's rent one of these boats.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
And axolotls are your favorite.
Oh, there's two of them.
I think there's a whole pod of them. My shagado.
Look at this swimming boy.
Show me how you swim.
Okay, you're gonna, all right, you ready? You're gonna swim to Dad, okay? Ready, go.
Wait. What?
Look at him. You can swim back to Mama? All right, go. Good job.
The Santas can go for a spin. The Lupos can go for a spin. Ricky will be the daddy boat tour guide. Just probably make sure you have enough gas, right, Ricky?
Yeah, I got plenty.
I love it. Cutie pies. There's at least 3. You think if there's a baby? Ready?
I never learned the missile.
All right, we brought the boat over to Caddy's. We're gonna get a drink and head out on the water.
So much. I'm calling it the wall.
You find it? Where was it?
On the kitchen counter.
Are you serious? See, I feel like we could get a little boat like that.
That's cute.
That would fit the family. It's got one motor.
Good job. Look, he's ready.
He does not have a swim diaper.
Yes, we do.
Good job, Lolo.
There it is.
How are the Tootsies? They're still cooking? You want to go find them? All right, let's walk around and try and find them.
Stay like that, right?
Just have to watch them.
It be my girl. But thank you. Oh, there he goes! Watch the Florida boys travel and have fun in the sun. Look at that view.
Like Wednesday to like whatever, and then we rent one of these boats.
Melissa, we drunken outside. Dun, dun, dun,
I
dun.
got it from that chip cutie pie.
Oh, Becky! I knew you were gonna get it. Shake it do. Shake it do. You want to go on the boat? All right, Daddy. I'll see you. You gotta keep kicking. Yeah, when you start to panic that you're not swimming, you gotta kick. Okay? I'll tell you what.
Neutral. And then you can hit reverse if you need to.
Daddy.
Indian Rocks Beach, caddies. 2025, happy Memorial Day.
2025.
I mean, 2026.
I'm telling you, Ruby's got the best boat in the house.
Daddy.
That thing was.
More butter? We're about done.
Mom, I love you. No.
I'm gonna follow the baby around, and I'm gonna do whatever the baby wants.
I mean, I can buy a boat and then rent it out for those who want to use it.
But it's like we do it so infrequently. It's like we might as well just rent one.
Levi's tall enough for the slide you can ride with.
This slide?
I love that the boat can be right here. I think this is our spot for the summer. Okay, this is our room at the Holiday Inn Harbourside at Splash Harbour Water Park.
They were over there, but now they're wherever.
In the lazy river.
No, Mama. I want your motor.
Hi. We need some of those shirts. That looks cute. Send me the link. Did you bring a pump for your mattress?
It comes with it. It's
Oh.
automatic.
Good.
I did it.
Yeah, you gotta keep moving your arms and your legs.
Mama!
Huge.
You can stay for like
see our view. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Wow, somebody's got a big deck. Look at the channel.
Where's Lolo at? Is he in the mix here?
He's doing the baby slide.
There it is! The water splash!
You gotta keep kicking. Come on.
And Mom, this is AKA, also called the boys' room.
Another closet.
Benji's not sharing.
Heck yeah, bubble bathtub. Nice big shower.
Hey, Benji was thirsty. Look, he choked that thing.
Yeah.
Get him another one.
I'm sorry, but we technically don't allow those like the little arm floaties.
Okay, what do you want him to do?
We have life vests that you can get up at the front desk. They're free. You just have to bring a physical debit or credit card as like a placeholder if you don't bring it back.
Okay, we're gonna check into our room here in a minute, so I'll be out in 15 minutes and then I'll take them off, okay? Here's the bed.
Logan's not sharing. Benji's not sharing the teddy bear.
Hello down there, Shagadoo! Look at these houses. Cortina, look at that house. Can I have that house? What? Alright, so tell me your question again, but you gotta say it really loud. I don't know if you're tall enough for the slide. I think the tall slides you're not tall enough for. Unfortunately, I know you're brave enough by far.
Oh, hello.
Hello.